In the automotive manufacturing industry, precision matters, especially when testing pumps and valves. A drivetrain manufacturer is trusting AW Lake and their bidirectional flow meters for such testing. This customer needed a test kit to troubleshoot leaks in automotive pumps. The challenge? These pumps operate in both forward and reverse directions, meaning accurate flow and pressure testing was essential. Enter the AW Lake bidirectional flow meter, the perfect solution for precise, real-time measurement of actual flow versus rated flow. This cost-effective tool helps detect leaks and ensure pumps are performing at their best. Integrated into a comprehensive flow test kit, the bidirectional flow meter works alongside pressure gauges, a needle valve, and essential fittings to accurately test and verify pump performance. This setup allows users to isolate the pump from the wheel motor, making it easy to diagnose leaks and maintain efficiency. At AW Lake, we provide reliable, high-performance solutions for precision flow measurement. To learn more, visit our website at aw-lake.com or contact us today to learn more about how our bidirectional flow meter can make your testing process easy.